Hello, I'm going to present you my trip experience going on a trip, my trip to Kalima Lake. About myself, my presentation. My name is Fabio Villamil. I live in Armenia. I'm 27 years old. I started electronic engineering at UNAT. I work in a hospital as a biomedics engineering assistant. Number two, experience. My trip experience. My last vacation, I was in Kalima Lake. It was awesome. There were a lot of things to do, like camping, swimming in the lake, boat riding, and making a bonfire. I was there with my girlfriend, and we were very happy to be there. The weather was sunny in the day and cold at night. We had carried our jackets in our suitcases for the night. The tourist agents offered us three meals: dinner, breakfast, and lunch for the next day. Food there was delicious too. We took a lot of pictures to remember the trip. And we're going to see the pictures. There I was with my girlfriend, and here we were on the road to the lake. Here we were preparing for the boat riding, and we had our floater vest. Here we were in the boat riding. There we were in a sunbathing. Here we looked at the lake. There we were camping. Here I swam in the lake. Here we attended an outdoor cinema in night. Here we rode the water scooter. And here we were in a bonfire. Okay, there I'm going to present you the tips for the place. 8 related tips. Number 1. It is recommended that people use sunglasses. Number 2. It is necessary that you not forget to wear a jacket at night. Number 3. It is important that you not disrespect the food time. Number 4. It is a good idea that you make a grill of your food at night. Number 5. It is recommended that people wear a floater vest for boat rides. Number 6. It is necessary that people not forget to use sunblock lotion in the morning. Number 7. It is important that you get there early. And number 8. It is a good idea that people use flip-flops on the lake side. Okay, and now we are going to see the pieces of advice. Pieces of advice. Number 1. In Kalima Lake, people should go to the camping and enjoy the bonfire gatherings. After that, it is a good idea that you go to the outdoor cinema and eat popcorn. Number 2. In Kalima Lake, people shouldn't go swimming to the center of the lake. And it is very important that you not forget to wear a floater vest in the lake. Okay, that was my presentation. I hope you like it, and goodbye.